advance in a more affordable package. But this time, Apple is shaking things up with the iPhone SE 4, bringing massive upgrades that could redefine the budget smartphone market. In this video, we will dive deep into all the leaks, rumors, features, and comparisons to help you decide if the iPhone SE 4 is worth the wait. Make sure to watch till the end as we discuss why this phone could be a game-changer for iOS users on a budget. Design and build. The end of the home button? One of the biggest changes coming to the iPhone SE 4 is its design. According to multiple leaks and rumors, Apple is finally ditching the old-school iPhone 8 design in favor of a more modern look. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to take design cues from the iPhone 13 or iPhone XR, featuring a full-screen display with Face ID support. This means no more home button, a significant shift from previous SE models. The iPhone SE 4 is likely to come with an aluminum and glass build, making it more premium than ever before. While Apple might not bring promotion or ultra-thin bezels to this model, it will still be a massive upgrade from its predecessor. With rumors pointing to a 6.1-inch OLED display, this would be the first SE model to use an OLED panel, delivering deeper blacks and richer colors. Display, OLED at a budget price? The biggest surprise in the iPhone SE 4 leaks is the possibility of an OLED display. Until now, all SE models featured LCD panels, which, while decent, don't match the deep blacks and vibrant colors of OLED. If Apple includes an OLED panel in the SE 4, it would make this phone a serious competitor to mid-range Android devices from Samsung and Google. While promotion, Apple's 120Hz refresh rate technology might not make it to this budget device, a standard 60Hz OLED screen would still be a welcome improvement. Users can expect better contrast, improved viewing angles, and an overall more immersive experience. Performance, A16 Bionic or A17. Apple is known for equipping the SE lineup with flagship-grade performance. The iPhone SE 4 is rumored to feature the A16 Bionic chip, the same processor found in the iPhone 14 Pro series. This means users can expect blazing fast performance, making this budget iPhone faster than most mid-range Android smartphones. There are even some speculations that Apple might surprise us with the A17 Bionic, though this seems unlikely for a budget device. However, with the A16 chip, users will still get excellent gaming performance, smooth multitasking, and improved power efficiency. Camera upgrades. Finally, a dual camera setup? Cameras have always been a weak point in the SE lineup, but Apple might change that with the iPhone SE 4. While previous SE models featured a single 12MP rear camera, rumors suggest that the SE 4 might come with a dual camera system similar to the iPhone 13. A dual camera setup would allow for improved portrait mode shots, better low-light performance, and enhanced computational photography. Even if Apple sticks to a single camera system, an upgraded 48MP sensor could still make a huge difference in image quality. Battery life and charging. USB-C coming to the SE line? Battery life has always been a concern with the iPhone SE models due to their smaller size. However, the iPhone SE 4 is rumored to feature a larger battery, possibly around 3000 mAh. With the efficiency of the A16 chip and iOS 18 optimizations, users can expect a significant improvement in battery life compared to the SE 3. Another major upgrade is the potential switch to USB-C charging. With the European Union mandating USB-C for all smartphones, Apple is expected to transition the iPhone SE 4 to USB-C, making it the first budget iPhone to adopt the universal charging standard. This means faster charging speeds and better compatibility with a wide range of accessories. iOS 18. Exclusive features for iPhone SE 4? Since the iPhone SE 4 is expected to launch with iOS 18, it will come with all the latest software enhancements. Apple's iOS 18 is rumored to bring AI-driven features, improved Siri capabilities, and deeper integration with Apple's ecosystem. With features like live text, smarter notifications, and improved widgets, the iPhone SE 4 will offer a premium software experience even at a budget price. Price and release date. How much will it cost? Apple has always positioned the SE series as a budget-friendly alternative to its flagship models. The iPhone SE4 is expected to be priced around $429 to $499, making it one of the most affordable iPhones available. As for the release date, rumors suggest that Apple might launch the iPhone SE4 in early 2024, possibly during a spring event in March or April. If you're looking for a budget iPhone with modern features, this could be the perfect option. Conclusion: should you buy the iPhone SE4? The iPhone SE4 is shaping up to be the best budget iPhone yet, with a modern design, powerful performance, and much-needed upgrades in display, camera, and battery life. If you're using an older iPhone and want an affordable upgrade without compromising on performance, the iPhone SE4 might be the perfect choice. What do you think about the iPhone SE4? Are you excited about these upgrades, or do you think Apple should offer more? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech content.